Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have sold a ton more things for 3 days of sales on Poshmark. All right, let's just get right to it. Our first item is a Denim USA American flag full bling rhinestone cap. I paid $4 for this. My earnings were $5.05. So I'm gonna write my earnings minus what I paid for everything so you can give you a true profit number. Now my earnings is not what it sold for. This hat actually sold for $8, but I earned $5.05 after fees and shipping discounts and all that fun stuff. So $1.05 is what I earned on that hat. So I'll give you all these numbers, then we'll add everything up at the end, and I'll let you know what my 3-day sales were on Poshmark. The next item I have is a bundle, which includes classic Wrangler jeans down here, 42 by 30 relaxed fit dark wash jeans. They sold for $5. These stylish CJ Banks 20W medium wash jeans with bling sold for $14. And then this new with tags Made in Foreign self-expression side smoothing bra 40D sold for $7. My total earnings for that was $12 after fees. And so the Wranglers came out of my closet, the CJ Banks came out of my closet, and then this was $2 from a liquidator. And so I have a total of $2 invested. My earnings were $12, so $10 are my numbers on that bundle. Then the next set of things that I sold was a pair of really cute Mad Love Navy Lenny sneakers. These were $2 out of a liquidation box. My earnings were only $2.25, and so I have 25 cents invested, but those have been sitting on my shelf forever, so I'm excited to get them gone. Then I've got these really nice universal thread Monica leather riding boots. These were $4 out of a liquidation box. $5.25 is what I earned, so $1.25 are my in-pocket profits. Then the next item that I have is a new with tags Warner's full figure bra 40 triple D. And so that sold for $5.25. I got this out of a liquidation box for $2, so $3.25. Now this is sales for 3 days. I'm going to get these shipped out right away because I usually like to ship every 2 days, but I got a little busy this week. So the next thing that I have is a pair of duo stretchy pack of underwear. This came out of a really big bulk box that I had where I had over 500 items. It's like a marathon unboxing. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But $1 is what I paid for that. $3.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 are my in-pocket profits for that sale. Then I have perfect time of the year to be selling bathing suits, and so I have a white bathing suit that just sold, size large with cute ruffle on it. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I spent on that. $7.05 is what I earned, so $5.05 are my in-pocket profits on that one. The next item that I sold is, hold on, I lost my spot here. It is a bundle. It's a clear kind of gold glitter visor. This was $2 out of a liquidation box. And then this bathing suit, which I got at the Goodwill outlet, which probably weighed 25 cents worth. And so $2 plus 25 is $2.25. $3.25 is what I earned. And so $1 even are my profits there. Then the next item is a really nice plus size bra that I got at Savers for about $2. But after fees, it's only earned me $1.25, so I'm actually negative 75 cents, but you know, at least I made some of my money back on that one. So it had been on my shelf for a while. Another one that I sold here is a Shaquille Lane Bryant 38F underwear bra, black and white. This one cost me $2 from Savers. $11.80 is what I earned on that one, and so $9.80 are my profits there. Then my next item I have for sale is an adorable active Old Navy size medium lined tank top. This came from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. And the Goodwill outlet is different than the Goodwill store. It's basically a place where everything that doesn't sell at the Goodwill outlet or Goodwill stores goes to the Goodwill outlet, and they sell everything by the pound. So I usually average 25 to 50 cents per item. So that was 50 cents, and $2.25 is what I earned. So $1.75 are my profits there. Then I got a really nice big bundle that I sold, which I was super excited about. Okay, so the things that were in the bundle were, I've got all of these really nice olive wood Holy Land crosses. So I ended up selling 5 of those, which were 65 cents a piece, which comes out to $3.25. And then a pair of Old Navy size 46 belted cargo khaki shorts, which came from my closet, so I didn't pay anything on that, so I'm at $3.25. And then this is a really neat purse set, comes with a wallet and all that fun stuff. And so this was $2 out of a liquidation box, so I'm at $5.25. My total for this bundle was $25.60 minus the $5.25 comes up to $20.35 for that bundle. So that was a really good sell for me. For those things that have been on there I'm almost out of those really pretty wooden crosses, and so check them out. I've got a few left. The next thing that I sold is this really cute Exhilaration Rayon high-low maxi skirt. This came out of a liquidation box for $2. $4.25 is what I spent on it, so $2.25 are my profits on that one. Then I have another bundle. This person must have loved the color black because that's what they got. So this is a Performance Ava Comfort stretch tank top. Then a pair of, let me see, these are Max Studio size 27 distressed jeans. And then a New Day military style black button-up zipper vest. And so that's $2, $4 plus 50 cents. So I spent $4.50 on that. $11.05 is what I paid for that, and so $4.50 minus $11.05. Oh, let me see. $6.55 is what it comes out to. Then the next thing that I sold is a really cute, lovely Nike size 12 striped halter padded tankini. This came out of this came from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $1.25 is what I earned. And so I'm at 75 cents on that item there. Then I have a nice Cardinals Majestic Authentic Collection Molina jersey for the St. Louis Cardinals. This came out of my own closet. My earnings were $16, so I get to keep all $16. Then I have a lovely Ann Taylor Loft Petites cap sleeve top. This was $2.05. That came from the Goodwill outlet, so we're at $1.55 for that item. Then the next item I've got is another bundle. It's a gray and black tankini plus an sweater. There it is. Plus my sweater with gems and elastic sleeves on it. And so this was $2 out of a liquidation box. Sorry. This was also $2 out of a liquidation box. My earnings are $14.28. And so $10.28 for that particular item. Then I've got a large size Victoria's Secret underwire padded bra, 38D sheer lace. That one sold for $10, but my earnings were $7.05. That I got from Savers for a couple bucks, and so $5.05 are my earnings on that one. Then the next thing I have is a $4 Pitbull curved visor army green hat. I got this from a wholesaler, brand new. It's really kind of cool because the Velcro comes off. It says USA underneath, and you can also put your unit patch on there if you've been in the military. I've been in the military before as well. So I am an Army veteran. And so $16 is what I earned on that, minus my $4 I paid for it. So we're at $12 of earnings on that particular item. Then we're going to keep on going down the line. We have a pink sweater here, a beautiful Christopher & Banks V-neck sweater. $2.05 came from my closet, so $2.05 is what I get to keep. Then we've got a bundle, a really nice 5-piece bundle. And so let me give you each item in the bundle. Here's a pack of 10 underwear, brand new. And so that was $1 out of a liquidation box. This is a Prologue extra large sleeveless comfy tank top for $1 as well. Then these Cat and Jack shoes for $2, really cute multicolor ones. Another tank top for $1, so we're at $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And then a New Day Mohana pointed toe shoes. These were $5, and so we're at $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, and $10 total on this particular bundle. I earned $28, and so $18 are my earnings on that particular bundle. Okay, I've got an Essential XXL New Day white V-neck shirt, long sleeve, $2.05 on that. I spent $2 out of a liquidation box for that, and so I only earned 5 cents on that one, but it was just a plain white long sleeve shirt, so I'm shocked I sold it at all. This one is a stylish Hennessy Couture New York tie, $2.05. Got that from the Goodwill outlet, so I probably only paid about a quarter for it. So $1.80 would be my profits after I take away that quarter. Then the next thing I have is a sophisticated Joey size small 100% silk cap sleeve top, $3.05. Got that from the Goodwill outlet, so take off my 50 cents that I spent, so $2.55 are my earnings on that one. Then I've got a new with tags Beach Betty slimming control top here, bikini swim top. My earnings were $12. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for that, so I'm at $10. Remember, this is 3 days worth of sales, which is why it feels a little bit more than normal. Then for $4, I have this pair of shoes here. It's a Gino Vitale pair of shoes. Let me put this down so I don't make a mark on any of my clothes I got sitting here. These are super nice. Size 13 men's dress shoes. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. And so these were $4 out of a liquidation box that I got from Bulq.com. And so $15 is what I earned. So that would put me at $11 of my profits after I sold those shoes. Just a couple more things, and then we're done with our sales for these 3 days at Poshmark. Then I've got a skort. Oh, if I can reach it, a white stag stretch size 16 average 2-pocket skort. This came out of my closet. $6.25 is what I earned, so $6.25 is what I get to keep. It's nice to sell your own clothes because there's way more profit in that. Then I have, and I think what happens is I've got all these clothes from liquidators, and it brings me to, it brings people to my store to see those things, but then they get interested in something that's from my own closet, and then that's when I really make the money. So, this is another bundle. My last thing that I'm going to tell you, it is a women's plus size striped short sleeve top 14W. This came out of a liquidation box for $2. And then this pack of underwear for $1. So I've got $3 invested, $5.25. And so $2.25 are my profits. I'm going to go ahead and add everything up, let you know how many orders for 3 days worth of sales on Poshmark. All right, I've got everything added up. It came up to $163.63 for a total of 29 orders for 3 days worth of sales on Poshmark. So hopefully it's been helpful, and believe it or not, I sold sweaters and patriotic hats in the month of May, along with riding boots that you would think you wouldn't sell until wintertime, along with many other things. So hey, there's a variety of things people are looking for, so hopefully it's helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.